Yeah, okay guys, and here are some close-up shots again for anybody who's interested and for anybody who hasn't seen my handbag storage video yet. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my first ever tag video because I've been tagged for the first time by the wonderful Ainura, and I really thought this is a really good idea. So we're doing my influenced handbag collection. My first reaction when I saw her tag was like, I think my bags are all very unique, and you know, I really only buy what I love, and I don't have a lot of like trendy pieces or anything like that. So I thought, have I been influenced by anyone? And my first reaction was like, no. But then the more I thought about it, I was like, of course I've been influenced by other people when buying bags, because I was basically, you know, just going through all these bags and thinking about it, and I was like, yes, I have been a victim of that too. So what we do today is we are going to look at the bags that, you know, somebody else has influenced me to buy, basically. So I thought, let's start here with the beautiful Fendi Forever Bulgari bags, because this one, I'm probably 100% sure that I'm gonna give you some close-up shots in a second as well, but this one I bought because of Lydia Ellis Millen, and she is, I think, one of our biggest UK influencers here. I think she started with handbags as well, but nowadays she's just doing lifestyle and I think everything. So she has this exact little golden bag, and I think I saw it with her when she started collaborating with Bulgari. And I thought, oh my god, I love those bags. So I'm pretty sure that both of these bags, you know, I bought because of Lydia Ellis Millen. And then I think those were all my choice. Yeah, okay, so the boy bag is next, and I have to tell you, yes, this was probably the first bag I bought because somebody has influenced me to buy it. Of course, I love the look of it, you know. Like I said, I'm gonna give you close-up shots in a second as well. But the boy bag was influenced by Sophie Showhead. She's a UK handbag YouTuber as well, luxury YouTuber. And I think her story is famous and has gotten viral of how bad the lambskin on boy bags can be, because hers really looks like a car has driven over it. So yeah, that one was definitely influenced by Sophie Showhead. And then let me get down here, I think. No, I just loved all of these bags. I mean, we have all seen this beauty here, right? On Lady Diana, because that's why it's called Lady Dior, and it's such a classic and such a beauty and such a timeless piece. And you could say Lady Diana has probably influenced all of us to buy a classic black Lady Dior. And then down here, I think I don't have specifically been influenced by anyone to buy this, but it was of course all over social media, right? When it came out, whoops, and it was such a hype and everybody wanted it. And so I think, yeah, that was just social media basically influencing this handbag. Okay, so this is cabinet number 1. Let's look at the other one. I'm just basically going through this like I haven't planned this or anything. I just saw that I've been tagged and thought, hey, let's do this video. So, okay guys. Oh yeah. Sorry. Cabinet door does that. So this tiny little Fendi Peekaboo Micro, my most recent purchase, was definitely influenced by Kim Curated, who I'm going to tag, I think, after this. So Kim, if you're watching, you have definitely influenced me to buy this bag. I watched her video like 6 times, literally, because I love this bag so much. And then when I actually found it in Dubai, you know, I pulled the trigger immediately. And she has this back charm monster basically on hers as well. Just hers is like blue, I think. Yeah, so can we say the Nano Speedy? Again, social media, I guess. No, nobody specifically, I think, but it's such a hype, right? And everybody just wants that bag, I guess. So again, social media. Then I think these really have all been my choice, and I have not particularly been influenced by anyone. However, yeah, this is my nostalgia shelf down here with my plushies. If you have seen my How I Store My Bags video, you know these guys. So Bottega Veneta. I would say Tamara, I guess, has influenced me to buy this Bottega Veneta chain pouch. She styles it in so many beautiful ways. It's really great. And then, yeah, I guess it's just been everywhere, right? Every fashion week pictures you've seen, everybody is carrying like different variation of the pouch. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's it. I think, yeah, of course I've been a victim too, and some people have influenced me to buy some of my bags. But yeah, let me know if and who has influenced some of your decisions. And then, guys, anyone who wants to do this tag, please join in. Yeah, okay, guys, and here are some close-up shots again for anybody who's interested and for anybody who hasn't seen my handbag storage video yet. So yeah, definitely Lydia Lisman for sure. And then, et voila, definitely Sophie Showhead. And yeah, I mean, oh, I love my bag so much. Every time I walk into my dressing room, I'm just so happy. Because, I mean, you basically wake up, get dressed in the morning, and you see this. And here is handbag cabinet number 2. So, yeah, these are my beauties. Kim curated. I hope she joins in on this tag. And then, oh, I love this beauty. This is relatively new as well, and I can't wait for lockdown to end and just wear all my bags again. And yeah, my new dumpling and my old dumpling. And I'm gonna think about now who to tag as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yep, and it's a bad one. Okay guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!